Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with remember this one? This is the D30 Smartwatch. And of course, we are going to compare it with this popular Fit Pro base smartwatch, the Macaron smartwatch. Okay, as you can see here, they both have these two wearable, and we're going to compare the design as well as the specs of these smartwatches. So if you have any questions regarding these wearable, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so we have here on our left side, we have the D30 Smartwatch, and we have the fashionable Macaron Smartwatch. Okay, so as you can see here, different design, but it is using a touch button key operation here. Okay, the other one, I think we have still a plastic screen here, but much durable. We also have a plastic screen here that is not scratch proof, as you can see. There's a lot of scratches. Okay, for the frame here, we have an upgrade. For the D30, we have a metal frame, while for the Macaron color smartwatch, we still have a PC material. The back, we have the sensors, the same sensor, and the same direct USB charging. Let me check. Okay, you see it here. The other one, we have we have it here. Okay, the same direct USB charging method there. Okay, so for the size, let me check. Okay, so we have here measuring tool. Let's check that thickness, okay, of these two smartwatches. We have a 10 millimeter. Okay, for the D30. Okay, while for our Macaron smartwatch, we have at least 9 millimeter or 10. You can say it's 10, still 10, so the same. Okay, while for the length here, let me check which is bigger. So we have at least 39. Okay, so almost 40 millimeter on this part. The width, we have 33. Okay, so 33. While for the other one, the Macaron, we have, let's check, we have a much wider body. I think we have 35. Okay, for the length here, we have at least 42. Okay, so the Macaron smartwatch is much bigger compared to our D30, as you can see here. Okay, so much bigger, but still just a minor difference. Well, for the weight, let's check. Okay, so let's verify. So we have 20.35 grams for the D30. For the D20 lightweight, we have 14.40. Okay, very big difference when it comes to weight. Okay, again 20, and we have 14. Okay, of course it will change when we attach the strap here. Okay, Okay, and now let's attach the strap. Okay, and of course, let's check the menus of the different smartwatches, of each smartwatches. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so easy to attach the strap. I think this is also interchangeable. Okay, you can also use the strap of the D30 to our D20. Let's see. Okay, as you can see here, it fits. Okay, and let's put it back. Okay, for our D20 smartwatch, it's a popular smartwatch, an entry-level smartwatch, and it runs the Fit Pro support app. Okay, so this one it runs the Fit Pro, this one it runs the Fit Pro app also. Okay, so we have these two wearables. Let's put it on a platform and see. Okay, can check and see the features here. Okay, both are using a touch button key operation. Okay, so we have, so this one it supports, okay, custom watch face. Okay, so tapping on it. Okay, again, let's go first with the D30. Tap on it, we have the automatic activity tracking, the same with this one. Okay, it calculates or monitors the time, oh, the steps, the distance, as well as the calories. But they have different UI here. Okay, let's have a closer look. Okay, so let's, okay, the next, so we have, okay, this one, the heart rate as well as the blood pressure. Okay, while for the D20, let's check where's the heart rate. So we have it here. Okay, simple UI for the D20, much more sophisticated UI for the D30. Okay, it calculates for the blood oxygen, heart rate, as well as the blood pressure here. Okay, sports, let's check long press, long press. So the same UI here. Okay, so for the sports, let's check running, skipping rope. We have sit up. We also have sit up here also, and that's it. So the same sports function. Okay, for the two wearable. Okay, we have message, music function also, more long press. Okay, going back, long press, sleep monitoring, also have weather, camera, also have camera here, looking for anti-lost, the same icon, reset, the QR code, the Fit Pro QR code, and of course the version here. Almost the same UI. Okay, just a minor difference within the UI, but the functions that it offers, the same, almost the same. Okay, or shall we say the same. Okay, there's no difference. Okay, so this is your D30 and this is your D20 smartwatch. Okay, so it's up to you whether if you want a much more mature design, okay, somewhat like an elegant design, or office type design, compared with the D30 that is a fashionable sporty design, and of course it's lightweight. Okay, so looking at side by side. Okay, again, these smartwatches are using the Fit Pro support app, and both are entry level smartwatches, less than I think $3, $3 to $5 for the pricing. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of our D30 smartwatch compared with the D20 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding these two wearable, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.